Ticket sale fraud at Dunn's River Falls. We have the details of the controversial audit. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, truce at last. Opposition leader meets Prime Minister to discuss crime.
Ban in force. TVJ News looks at how businesses are adjusting.
Disgraceful. Attorneys slam Indicom after cops walk free in death squad case.
No beds. Patient spends days in wheelchair at public hospital.
And in business news, down again. Pump prices fall to lowest in more than a year.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking, what do you think should be the main priorities for the country this year?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.